A friend told me he was looking for a good video that talks about the value of a good conversation. I haven't seen one, so I guess this one will have to do. A lot of salespeople are communicating with prospects and customers these days, but not really having good conversations. My customers like to text, or they tell me my clients prefer email. I often wonder who really has that preference, the salesperson or their customer. I suppose prospects and customers prefer to communicate via text or email if the topic is simple and quick, or if the relationship is shallow, the kind of shallow relationship they prefer to have with a vendor versus a conversation they would have with a peer or partner or trusted advisor. The biggest value of a good face-to-face, virtual, or even phone conversation is that it helps you go deeper. You learn more and are able to discern more about who they are, what they feel, and most importantly, how they feel about you on several more channels of communication. Their tone, eye contact, micro expressions, body language, and when face-to-face, even below our conscious awareness, their scent or pheromones are sending us many messages we'd never receive if we were in a sterile text exchange with them. Like Facebook, texting or emails allow us to pretend a little too much, project an edited and idealized version of ourselves, while one-on-one conversations require some vulnerability, social risking when others can get a more accurate understanding of who we are, warts and all. Perhaps this is why many prefer sanitized texts and emails. They're less risky. So what's the value of a good conversation versus a text or an email? It's like the difference between dancing with someone or receiving a form letter from them. Deeper, richer, and more memorable on many senses. And in sales, which do you suppose will be more fruitful? So-called formal and professional relationships, or warm, unpretentious, and trusting relationships? You be the judge.